My name is Anshul Lankad and I hail from Rohtak.
Hello, I'm Pratyush.
My name is Shukla. I'm from Chandigarh.
Everyone, I'm Khushi, currently studying in Punjab Engineering College. Even if I've tried keeping or following the New Year's resolution, that hasn't really worked out for me. So yeah, basically, if the New Year's like around the corner, I just hope that whole of this pandemic situation really improve, and yeah, I hope that I develop some new skills in the upcoming year.
I have to reduce my weight, first of all, very important. Second is I have to learn driving, car driving, since I have to go to driving school. Second is, and the third one is that I have to become more patient.
My resolutions basically I need to get into shape, mostly because I am been lying on the couch and looking at the same NCRT for the past 2 years. That's one. Number two is I open up to people really quickly. Like I tend to share a lot of information about myself, which later on backfires because initially I don't really know the person, and the person turns out to be someone he's not or she's not, and then it backfires on me.
Actually, I want to, like improve my skills mostly this year. And like one also, like I want to increase my weight as I've been trying like for a long time. And the third thing will be like actually I'm really interested in coding, so I'm trying to improve my skills there also. And and the last one would be like to improve my communication skills and make lot of friends.
Honestly, we've been in our house for the past almost 1 year because boards happened in March, and before that, we were just studying. So it's been so long we've been outside, so we just got bored and started doing stuff.
I would like to gain more weight. Actually, I'm right now slim. Uh, Also, I would like to improve my communication skills and be more friendly with people. And on on a general basis, I would say I would like to improve myself in every field. I think I learned the importance of health during this time because I didn't exercise or do anything. I just used to play PUBG on phone and all the time. Even didn't study very well. So I think this was the thing I learned that health is really important, and for that have joined gym recently and I'm exercising daily now.
The good thing happened to me. The last would be like same road like Rohit. I got to meet friends like in the December also in the last 20 days.
Got to meet so many good friends, very good friends, very great friends that might or may or should furnish this relation forever, maybe. And the second thing that happened to me that, yeah, that was a very great thing that we got to know our family more in the COVID period. We got to live with our family more and spend time with them. It's a kind of emotional, but yeah, it was true. First of all, what we know about PEG is the helicopter wala college. Second of
That
all,
was the meeting point for the whole college. You're supposed to meet. We were like, we'll meet at the helicopter.
helicopter point, yes, we are meeting. And then, secondly, what we know about PEG is it's a great college. It's a brand, what we have been told till far.
My friends and relatives, they told me that PEC is comparable to IITs. It is really good college and also it is going to give a good amount of exposure.
Going on
and enjoying your clubs, like in which club are you doing, enjoying them. Okay, creating good memories with your friends and seniors, these things.
नॉट मोर देन 3 मैंने एक सैस्क भी ज्वाइन किया हुआ है एंड एनी स्पोर्ट्स क्लब में स्पोर्ट्स में थोड़ा फिजिकल फिटनेस वगैरह होती है तो
I also tried for an intern, and it was basically an intern where I used to solve the queries of the students and like basically as an expert. So yeah, that was a good memory and it was a nice experience. And also obviously the feeling you get when you the first stipend arrives is priceless.
I guess for me, I did an intern in the lockdown period and it was a very good day. Like the day I got that internship, it was just a content writing internship for 2 months, just for exposure. But yeah, it was a happy moment. Like when the stipend came and you got appreciated, that's a good memory.
Recently, so I signed a contract with the company as their ambassador. So it was my first sponsorship. So currently, I am being sponsored by an apparel brand. It's an Indian apparel brand. Its name is Apace, so it's located in Pune.
For me, success is like I want a good CGPA, not like 9 or something. Like I want a good CGPA, which will make me able to get a great job in a company.
That means you are not just sticking to your own stuff, and I mean to say that you are contributing something that helps in developing the society. I'm not having one yet, but hoping to build one. So,
my biggest goal for next year or success for next year would be we have our nationals planned in March 2021. So I would like to get a podium at the nationals next year in my sport. And yeah, I'm working towards it from the past.
Personally speak, I'll say that I just want to make a change. There are a lot of things that I don't like about the way systems are. A lot of things, trust me. Okay? And I want to, if not all of them, I want to change a few of them.
Like past 2 years were very much depressing for like studying all the time. And now we have joined college, so we have high expectations also. So I also feel like enjoying these college days and creating some good memories will be very helpful and make this 2021 be happy.
I think success can't be achieved by comparing with something else. If you are satisfied what you are getting, then it's alright. If you keep comparing, then success can't be achieved.
I guess it will be happy, uncertain, and productive, low-key productive.
It was the best for me because I could focus more on my sport because my sport is an individual sport. So I could practice more. I did not have any classes and I could improve my hours of training and I could focus on my sleep and all that.
Long, stressful, yet surprising.
Challenging, surprising, and overbearing.
I would want my movie to be like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and it's because I really want to go on a trip with my friends and have the time of my life. So yeah.
Kal Ho Na Ho
It would be like the movie 2012.
I would say the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
I will say Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Hey, I was going to say that. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Actually, I was going to say Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, but she said and I said Ye Zindagi Na Milegi
We can
Dobara.
both have the same.
Perfect movie. Worth watching, worth remembering.
Serious note, it should be like Inception for me.
Hearing different things from our parents again and again.
Washing hands and cleaning clothes. Cleaning a bartan.
I'm fed up of eating at home. I want to go outside and have some food.
One thing that I was fed up of during the lockdown is wearing masks.
I think the starting of the lockdown was good for me because I got exposure to anime stuff. Then after I came to know, yeah, there is something in anime that one should watch. But after that, as the time goes on, I think I have watched that much anime that I didn't got anything else to watch, and that was a bit of frustrating because I wasn't left with anything to watch.
Yeah, I learned harmonica during the lockdown. It was a bit easy.
मैंने अपनी मीन्स एक तरह की थोड़ा स्पीकिंग स्किल्स थोड़ी सुधार ली मैंने. मैं ऐसे वीडियोस देखता था ना कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स जैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है, मीन्स कैसे स्टेप्स में जाना है, इंट्रोडक्शन से लेके मीन्स बीच में कैसे फ्लोट करना है, ऐसे बातों को कैसे रखनी है पकड़ के, फिर बाद में एंड में जाके कंक्लूड वगैरह. ऐसे बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखी थी मैंने.
Watching the sunrise and having walk.
I bought a guitar, learning it in a very initial phase, but yeah, I started that in 2020. So well, yeah, that's one. And other than that, I think I've learned to be more patient about things because I had to wait so much.
I have started an interest in drawing, so I sketch now.
Bought a guitar, and now I guess I know guitar, like the basics. I know basic songs. I know most of the chords, I guess. So yeah, I learned guitar, and I improved my sketching and drawing skills. I have a page now on Instagram. You guys can follow.